In order to eliminate clutter in the shop, everything has to have a home. And the drill guns and my drill guns don't have a home yet. So today I'm going to use 3-inch PVC to give my drill guns a home. We're going to use 3-inch PVC, and I'm going to cut it to lengths using my Sawzall. You could also cut it using a hacksaw if you chose to. After I finish cutting the tubes to length, I'm going to use a knife to clean up the ends of all the sharp edges. Now I'm going to measure how far into the pipe I want the drill gun to slide in and make a mark for my hole saw to drill a hole in that location. Use the hole saw to cut the hole in all 3 tubes. I use my marker to put marks on there to make sure I know which way on this tube I'm going to cut. I don't want to make any mistakes and have to make a trip to the store just to get a piece of tubing. Then I use my saber saw to cut down the lines and cut a slot for my drill guns to fit into the tubing. I put some 45-degree angles at the beginning of the slot so that it would be easier for the drill guns to slide into the tube. After I cut the slot out, I can drill the holes to mount the tubes on the side of my drill press stand. I want my drill bit to be long enough to go through both sides. On the outside holes, I'm going to want them drilled larger so that I can put a screw and a screwdriver through the hole. So I used my Sharpie to mark where the outside holes will be. Then I used my screw gun to start the screws into the side of the drill stand, but the drill driver extension I had was not long enough to reach all the way across, so I had to finish it out by hand with a screwdriver. I mounted these holders at a downward angle so that they would be able to hold the drill guns. Thanks for watching, YouTube. I'll talk to you soon.